Hey, I'm attorney Roger P. Foley. You know who I am. I make these videos. One of the most difficult things, and it doesn't happen that often, but it happens. When a client just doesn't trust you. I'll give you an example. Uh, Client calls the office, says, hey, can you help me out with this case? And they say, look, I don't want to spend a lot of money. I go, no problem, I'll work with you. We'll talk to the state. We'll see if we can negotiate out a resolution based on your facts. Who knows? You never know. Maybe I can convince them to drop the charge. I don't know. I can't tell the future, but I'll give it a shot for you. I sign them up for a very small fee. Go to the prosecutor. Prosecutor says, look, I'm going to offer you some jail. I'm going to offer you some probation. I go, no, but look, let me tell you the story. This is what happened. Blah, 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 right? Prosecutor goes, sorry, you can try it. And I go, yeah, I can. So I go back to my client. I go, hey, look, this is what the state's offering. This is your official offer. They're offering you so many days in jail, followed by so many years of probation. That's basically what they're looking at. However, you got a great case. I've read through all the discovery, all the information you have against you, and everything. You actually have a very defendable case. And you know what? You know what's most important is I believe you, right? What else can you ask for? Your attorney believes you, right? So now I got to take depositions. I go through the discovery. I got to ask the people, the alleged victim, the police officers, the same questions I would during the course of a trial. So when I go to trial, they don't waver on their answer, right? They don't go all over the place and make up shit on the spur of the moment. Well, Mr. Client, I need a little bit of money to take some depositions. What am I paying you for? I mean, I don't understand. Like, why do I got to pay you? I didn't do anything. I didn't commit that crime. I'm falsely accused. I understand, but there's work that I need to do. I charge you a very small fee to see if I can negotiate a resolution. Basically, either get the case dismissed, get you in a diversion, or well, this is ridiculous. I mean, I don't understand this. What are you doing for me? I mean, what are you doing? Well, so far I've negotiated and I've read through the discovery and I've shown, at least I've proven to my own self that there's some ways to win your case. There's some clear defenses. Yeah, but I mean, why should I pay you, Mr. Fuller? Why should I pay you? Well, I mean, you could certainly do it yourself or you could pay someone else, sir. I mean, this is, but this is what I do for a living. Well, I mean, I don't understand. Well, sir, listen, I know you don't have a lot of money. Yeah, I don't have a lot of money, Mr. Fuller. I don't have a lot of money. Okay, I understand. Well, I'm on a fixed budget. I'm a fixed income. I don't have anything. I drive a piece of crap car. I understand. Listen, I didn't arrest you. I'm not the one prosecuting you. I'm the one that's working to prove your innocence. Yeah, but okay. So what do you want, Mr. Fuller? Well, sir, I'm going to need $1,500 to go towards depositions so I can take depositions of the officers and the witnesses and find out everything that they're going to say in the course of a trial so we can better defend it. And listen, I believe in you so much, I'm going to waive the cost of your trial. Like, I never do this, but look, I understand you're in a tight spot. I'm going to help you out. Well, you need $1,500 from me? Like, can't someone else pay for it? Sir, I don't know. Do you have some family? I don't know who would pay for it. Well, can't you do that? Yeah, buddy, you've only given me about $1,500. So if I use the $1,500 that you gave me, then what would I do? You want me to do the whole thing for free? I already told you I'd do the trial for free. But wait, well, I didn't do anything. Well, I didn't do anything either. So now we're sitting there going back and forth. Well, I didn't do anything. I didn't do anything. I just don't understand. You know what, Mr. Fuller? You're just a bad lawyer. Me? I haven't done any lawyering yet. I started to negotiate, but they want to send you to jail and put you on probation. I'm telling you, you have a fight. We can fight. We have a very good defense. I offered to do it for free because you're on a fixed income, but I still need cost. Well, you know what, Mr. Foley? I want, like now they just start, I want to read every case that you read. I want to read, I want to know exactly where my money's going. I want to read, you know what, how about I write some of your case law for you? How about I write your deposition. I'm going to give you all the questions that I want asked. Well, what would you like me to ask? Well, I want you to ask. Well, I was going to ask that. I mean, that's a question that I would ask. It goes to whether or not the crime was committed and whether they have evidence. So I would have asked it. Yeah, but I just wanted, where's my money going? I don't get it. Rah! I'm trying to help. It doesn't happen that often, but it doesn't matter if it happens once in your lifetime as a criminal defense attorney. You want to pull your hair out of your head, right? Smack against the machine, right? Against the computer, because some folks are just not rational. Well, I didn't do it. I didn't do it. Okay, I'm on your side. So let's fight the case. You've seen Law and Order, right? This is what trials are for. Witness A says what witness A says. Witness B says what witness B says. You get to take the stand if you want. I get to cross-examine witness A and witness B, right? It's called a trial. It's called a fight. I can't go to the judge and go, hey, judge, listen, I know this guy. He's a great guy. He's a great man. I drank beers with him. His wife's a who? What nice people, judge. I can't go to the prosecutor and go, you know what? There's no way he did it. It's impossible. I wasn't there, but 100% if this guy speaks, it's like the man from above just whispering into my ear. It's the truth. You know what they say to me? They slap me on the back, and next thing you know, there's a sign on my back that says, kick me, I'm a jackass. And then they say, hey, sorry, I can't do that for you, Mr. Foley. Good to see you. Great to see you. How's the girlfriend and her daughter? Everyone great? Yeah, good. Good to see you. Okay. All right. Now go back to your client because that's not what I'm giving you. So what's my option? Fight! I need money to fight! Right? The military needs arms, right? The policemen need bullets. The militia needs guns and cannons and super jets. Roger Foley needs about $1,500 to take some depositions to ask some questions. So we can fight for you. This is what happens, guys. Once in a blue moon, probably once a year, I got to go through this. Bang my head against the wall. Anyway, I just wanted to share with you what the realities are of the non-understanding client, the person who's 100% innocent, who you actually believe is innocent, but somehow it's my fault. I'm arresting, I'm prosecuting, I'm Mr. Foley. I mean, they won't give it to you. You must suck at your job. I guess I do. I don't know what to tell you. So, if you have kids, if you're young and you're watching this and you're an English major or a political science major and you're like, I'm going to be a lawyer and save the world, get ready to deal with this occasionally. It's not a bad job, but when this happens, it's annoying. I'm Roger P. Foley. Smile! See you later. Bye.